So here's how my night's going.
Yeah, would you look at that, huh? Fucking mint.
Real quick, I just wanted to go over what worked for me. So personally, if you're trying to repair your exhaust, whether it's a hole or, I don't recommend connecting it and hacking it together like I am, but these things happen. So get this kit right here. It's gonna come with a clamp, a little screw thing, and a tab that connects these to build tension. And it comes with this tape right here. So this tape isn't really tape until your exhaust is warm. So I definitely wouldn't recommend applying this if you're on a cold exhaust when you're doing this. Okay. So you're gonna see the JB Weld tape. It's basically header tape at any Advanced Auto Parts, AutoZone, O'Reilly stores like that. Damn. As you can see, this thing's been through quite a few exhaust jobs here. So yeah, grab the JB Weld tape and then use the components from that first kit I showed you. So yeah, grab that tape. Oh, and by the way, I didn't know this shit was wet. This is my first time dealing with header tape, and it caught me off guard. I'm like, damn, this stuff's soaking wet. So yeah, wrap that around. Use the screw from the kit. I know it looks gross, but hey, it does the job. So bolt that thing around over the header tape. And the one thing I will say is it actually works pretty well so far. Like I said, the exhaust was dumping right below the car. It was just wide open after the flex pipe. And now the exhaust is flowing where it should. So if you ask me, that's a good temporary fix to a problem, and I'll post an update in a few days, but I think it's gonna hold up pretty well. Oh, one more thing too. Don't be lazy with this type of thing. Make sure you got good jack stands, a good jack, chalk your wheels off. And yeah, if you're doing this type of thing at nighttime like I am, try to have somebody around. Don't be dumb like me and just wing it, but be safe and don't be stupid. Buddy, this is absolutely mint. Literally a $25 exhaust fix. Again, this is a temporary thing. Don't rely on a patch kit, all right? I don't want to get blamed for people hacking their shit together and wondering why it falls apart in a month. This is a great temporary fix for less than 25 bucks, so. I can't even hear this thing.
The next day.
All right, so yeah, just an update for you guys. Like I mentioned in the video, don't use this stuff to connect your exhaust if it's broken in half. That's just stupid and it's bound to break. This stuff's good for patches and that's about it. So, like I said, don't do what I do. Half of the shit on this channel you probably shouldn't do if I'm doing it, so. Otherwise, it's a good product. It's funny, my dad was like, oh yeah, because the parts store is closed, but he's like, oh yeah, I got a flagpole that's about the same diameter as your exhaust, so we're like, fuck it, and then we cut it up, threw it on, threw some clamps on it, and dude, she's fucking mint. You can barely hear this thing. It just sounds like a regular Honda now, you know?